I think that's a fantastic question. Yes, that is undoubtedly a very very big challenge, because whenever you want to incorporate something better in in our fraternity, it comes with some industry support, and that industry support always comes at a price which somebody has to pay. So we've always incorporated things which we genuinely feel will add a lot of value to us, to our treatments, and to our patients on the long run. So yes, our patients are ending up investing a little more money as compared to maybe the other practices in the vicinity. But on the long run, I assure you that these treatments work out much cheaper on the long run, because the longevity of these restorations that we are delivering is significantly longer than what routine literature says about routine instruments and routine techniques being followed.
It's nice to know that I'm known as a pain-free dentist. So I truly believe that acknowledging dental anxiety, fear associated with dentistry is the first step towards an anxiety release for any patient. Making sure that we understand and hear them out is the first step. Soothing music, something good to watch on the screen, smiling faces in your team, all of these help to reduce anxiety. But apart from that, we are also equipped with advanced technologies like sedation dentistry available at the practice to again make it a very comfortable experience. I always tell my patients that neglect because of fear is leading us into a bigger problem and a lot of dental issues. So first, let's acknowledge the fear and then come down to the dental treatments that are needed, and mostly that's enough to break the fear and making it a very very stress-free environment. There are quite many, but there's an interesting one. So I have this patient who's about 65 years old and has been going to dentists ever since the age of almost 25. And every year she would go to the dentist, every year she would get some or the other treatment done, and she'd be back in some sort of pain, discomfort, swelling, and but she just thought that that was the way it was going to be for her, not knowing that things were not in great shape and things were not happening the way they should have. Now, we met in 2018, and I must tell you that she used to travel from a different city all the way to come and see us. And with the help of the right diagnostic tools and the right team in place, we were able to completely redo the failed dentistry that had happened in her mouth over so many years. And we completed the treatment in 2018. It took us about 2.5 to 3 months to completely finish the treatment. But today we meet every year, and maybe twice in a year, just for a follow-up, and she is so grateful. We feel so gratified because of the treatment that has happened, and every time she comes just for a checkup. So yes, that's something where we feel that it's a truly life-changing experience, not just for the patient but also for us. So our work is no good if not spoken of by our patients who have experienced the work, and it's the most important tool. When I track back, I study that 70% of my new patients who come in a month are coming through word of mouth, and that is testimony to the kind of work that is executed, and also to how important this tool is. And this is also very satisfying, not just to the doctors but also to the entire support staff who help in making the process very seamless for the patient.